Jollibee. Nakakain.
Yun na, patingin. Baka na maraming sunscreen na.
Uy, ang puti mo nga, totoo. Pero okay lang, pantay naman sa ano mo. Ah! Ah!
There you go. I love the energy. Celebrate the cool our
Bilis! Malapit na!
Ano lang, ito mga tita. Wow, hindi ko kita. Sige na,
Doon na, tara, doon na tayo.
ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome up the National Costume.
Bilis! Dito mo, ilasal ka. Okay, malapit na! Saan sila? Malapit na! Babay lang! Babay lang! Ate ko yan!
Of Marabou
Ganda ni
celebrating the strength and courage of
Angela, Maria Sinova, 17,
Hey!
and I am proud to represent Barangay Mundo!
Yes na po sa lahat ng mga taga-Marabou. Well, kabayan, alam ko nandito kayo para magsaya. So, hindi na po ako magpapalit ng pagdagdag na
Thailand
premyo na
Addicts.
50,000 pesos. Mas masaya lang po. Ay, patigyan ang kanyang puso. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, kamusta? Grabe, I didn't know that there was going to be a pageant here in my I'm about to get crowned, so I had to come here. So I just want to say to all the candidates backstage, good luck. And you know, before I was standing in front of you,
Thank you so much. Such a Let us all get entertained through an intermission number. Ladies and gents, my people here on stage, this is the Prominent. where our contestants will
My beanie heart!
Your presence is a
Presents! Hey! Every day! Celebrate! You're with me! It's your birthday on the tip! Birthday on the tip! Hey! Hey! Let's go on the tip! Now watch you try!
if you want to
Malapit na! Malapit na si Angela!
from Barangay Bucalcos.
NGIR1! There's a coming back now! Watch you try! Manila, hindi ka ba? Ang init! Ang Manila! Go ate ko! Pagaw na! Yan na! Malapit na ulit! Pagaw na ako! Dito kami para sa'yo, Angela!
Candidate number 11 from Barangay.
Uuwi na sila! Nakakainit!
Giselle
pa ako?
Romero. And Miss Punctual Award goes to candidate number
11!
candidate number 11. This award is for candidate number 3.
Bini, bini! It's so good! You're home! Oh, my son! Oh, hey!
Thank you so much, the prominent department. Maragon SK Federal.
Hey!
Good day, everyone. My name is Paige Matsubara. I'm the gate for Gender Equality. Because I believe that all of them represent our equal rights. That for Miss Maragondon.
Ate ko yan, di nyo lang makita. Go, Myla!
I am Myla
Angela Belgues sa Sinapa.
And I invite you all to watch Miss Maragondon.
Okay.
2024.
Andito ako, te.
Join us on August 14.
Hindi ako makakasali.
With beauties, talent,
Sa museo tinatulungan. Yun lang, ganun lang.
Ladies and gents,
Ikaw ay dilaw. Ako okay, si Myla na. Go, Angela! Wow! Ang ganda mo! Ang ganda mo, Angela! Go, Angela!
I stand before you not just as a candidate, but also as a passionate advocate for mental health.
Yes!
In a world where physical health often takes the spotlight of a person, especially of a student. That is why I, as a student leader, am very dedicated and eager in breaking this stigma. Everyone, I am of our mission.
Todo mission.
Maraming salamat.
I love you, Jana! Ate ko yan! Go, Jana! Jana!
have here another special award.
Okay.
Congratulations, because the winner of additional special award from Celeste Cafe is candidate number
11!
candidate number 11.
Hi guys, tinawag si Angela guys. Ha? Basta tatay.
Miss Maragondon 2024, Honor of the Crowd is no other than
11!
candidate number 11. Miss Maragondon 2024 People's Choice Award goes to candidate number 11. Miss Flawless Award is for candidate number 11. Skin Casual Wear.
12 na! 12 a.m. na! 12 a.m. na! Oh, happy fiesta!
Best in swimwear is candidate number 11. Best in national costume.
Angela na yan! Angela na yan!
Miss Maragondon 2024 Best in National Costume is candidate number 11. Best in Advocacy. Who's your friend? Miss Maragondon 2024 Best in Advocacy is candidate number 11. Your supporters, we have for Myla Angela Villar claiming her spot in the top 7 is candidate number
11!
candidate number 11.
How can you measure the success of your advocacy? Again, how can you measure the success of your advocacy?
Thank you so much. Actually, mental health is such a broad topic. That's why as a student leader, I focus on something attainable, and that is focusing on the students. I believe that my advocacy will be successful if I finally know, if I will be able to radiate the positive energy towards my fellow learners. And to be able to make this advocacy successful, it means passing it through everyone. And to be the example that we as an individual can be the face of those unseen, to be the listener of those unheard, and to be the voice of the voiceless. Thank you so much.
Holder or winner tonight from the LGA will be receiving 50,000 plus on top of that, of course, she
Love you, Te! Love you! Congrats!
and for our we share this excitement. Yes, and going down, kung sino po ating competitors. Your chance to say thank you to your supporters before we start the chance. Let's go. I think they are requesting kanina pa, so I think this is the perfect chance. Go ahead, please.
Shout out!
To my family, my SSLB officers, band members, and everyone that's
Sige, wag mo kami mention.
I would like to say thank you very much, and all the classmates, I know you guys are proud of me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Di ba kami mination?
To complete our 4 finalists, nandito ang last spot!
Laban! Laban! Laban!
Congratulations! Last spot belongs to candidate number 11!
Go, ate ko! Go, ate ko!
So this time, candidate number 11. This is the final question. 1 minute to answer. I'll be reading the question twice for you. Here it is. If you have given a chance to make a new branding campaign slogan to promote Maragondon tourism, what would it be and why do you consider it so? Once again, if you have given a chance to make a new branding campaign slogan to promote Maragondon tourism, what would it be and why do you consider it so?
Thank you. Light, love, share Maragondon. We are now in this generation, the 21st century, and social media is a great platform to promote your municipality. I believe that if I show them that I like the municipality of ours, the natural landscapes, cultural heritage, warm-hearted people, and everything that we offer, they will be influenced to love what we have. And lastly, it will be shared by everyone. Because I believe that the Maragondon deserves to be recognized, not just in the province of Cavite, but in the whole Philippines. Thank you.
Alright. Before we announce the final result, all of these ladies, the 4 ladies in front of you, deserve to be praised. Of course, makakating natin sila. Thank you.
Deserve mo manalo!
It must have been a very hard decision.
Alauna na, di ba ako nauwi para di ka magtampo.
Is
Hinahanap na ako ng nanay ko.
Boy, palakpakan po natin. Yes, Maragondon. 2022. Na magbibigay ng corona sa ating winner. Second, organizers, I'll be announcing the title holder.
Ikaw na yan, Myla.
Miss Maragondon 2024. Our new queen is candidate number 11. And folks, by the audience, our first runner-up is candidate number 4.
Congrats sa ate ko! Love you!